Hi mom, welcome back to my channel. There's a video today. I'm going to create a beautiful glowy base and that's perfect for everyday or just for special occasions as well. So today I'm going to be using all the drugstore and a mix of high-end as well in between. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Well, as for prepping our skin, I used Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer today. So after that, I'm going to be using the primer. So for that primer, I'm going to be using the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. So I'm just going to be using this and putting it all over my face and prep my skin with this. And it also has this beautiful glowy finish that's going to help us achieve that beautiful glowy look. Anyways, next we are going to be using the skin tint from House of Makeup. This is in the shade L10 and I'm going to be mixing it with my Halo Glow liquid filter. So I'm just going to take some skin tint and I'm just going to dot it over my face just like that. And it's actually a little orangey on me, as you can see, but we're just going to mix our Halo Glow in it too, so it's going to be fully fine. So yeah, and yeah, just like that, I'm gonna mix in my Halo Glow, liquid filter, and I'm just going to blend it into my skin, just like that. As after making our face super duper glowy, glass-like, we are gonna be moving on to putting on our bronzer. So for that, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. It's just, I love this bronzer so much, that's why I use it literally on every single video. So I'm just going to be taking some and with my brush, I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. It also has a luminous finish. I'm using all the luminous products in this video for that glow. Always put very less bronzer onto my skin because that's the way I like it. I really don't like that stark, very bronzy face. I am just not a fan of that. So I'm just like gonna use very little of the bronzer. I'm also gonna bronze up my nose too. So I'm just gonna take my small like nose contouring brush and I'm just going to contour my nose for this, just like that. And I'm gonna just blend this bronzer on into my brows as well. Just like that. So I'm gonna be color correcting with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's in the shade Medium Sand, and I'm just going to take some and I'm just going to take some and put it under your eyes. Very little, not a lot, and also around my mouth area a bit, just to cover up the pigmentation a little bit, and I might have right here as well. I'm just going to blend this into my skin, just like that. Next, I'm going to be using this Beauty's concealer. It's in the shade Light, I think, yeah, 110 Light. I'm just going to take some and I'm just going to put it into my eyes, just to brighten up my eyes a bit. I'm just putting here. This concealer has a very natural finish, so it's going to look very skin-like. I'm going to be blending this with my concealer brush. See that? This concealer has a beautiful natural finish. So it looks super like skin-like and it blends into our skin seamlessly that I love. As next, to blend everything into my skin, I'm going to be using this dewy finish setting spray from NYX, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be using this Bohemian Rose Nudestix blush, and I'm just going to put it on my cheeks like that. I'm just going to take some and put it on my cheeks just like that. This is my favorite blush, guys. It gives that beautiful dewy finish, and it also has this beautiful like rosy toned shade that I love it. Now I'm going to be using this Halo Glow setting powder, and it's in the shade Light. I'm just going to take some and I'm just going to put it under my eyes and set my eyes just like that. So I'm just going to do the same on the other eyes. I'm just going to take it and put it on my forehead, setting my forehead with this hand. Setting my forehead so it's nicely set and so that our base doesn't move all day. Now for the brows, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Tattoo Brow 3-Day Styling Gel, and I'm just going to put it on my eyebrows and make it set off. The shade is medium. Next for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this beautiful Rose Quartz eyeshadow from Huda Beauty. So I'm going to take the shade Radiate from this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put it all over my eyes just like that. Onto my crease and all over my eyes just like this. It's a beautiful natural shade. I'm just going to do the same with the other eyes as well. I'm also going to take the same shade and put it under my eyes, just like the upper lash line. Just like that. This eyeshadow palette is my favorite. It's just so nice and like it blends very easily. The shades are very smooth, so I love it. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade called Gratitude in here, and I'm just going to put it onto my outer eyes. And I'm just going to put this on my outer brows, like outer eyes, just like that. And just to bring that a little bit up that into our crease. Also, I'm going to be taking the same shade Gratitude and just putting it on the outer corner of my under eyes, just like that. Now I'm going to be taking this beautiful thin brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade called Cherished from the Smart Pencil, and I'm just going to cut my crease with this, just like that. Just like this, I'm going to just put it on my crease like so. So that looks so beautiful. I love to use this specific shade to cut my crease. And then next, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking the shade called Mantra with my eyeliner brush. I'm just taking this and making a beautiful wig out of it. So I'm just going I'm also gonna be doing the same on my other side. So guys, I'm gonna be taking the same shade and I'm gonna be putting it on my lower lash line, just like this, just to have that depth under my eyes. I'm also gonna extend my inner corners. That's my favorite step. That's I do every single day. It makes my guys, we are done with our eyes. Now I'm gonna be using the mascara, and for that, I'm gonna be using the big nude mascara from e.l.f. And then I'm gonna be using this mascara. The wand is so thick of this mascara. It's so beautiful. It's my favorite mascara. So next, I'm gonna be using this Ice Baby highlighter from Nudestix. I'm gonna putting it on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my nose cupid's bow as well. So I'm just gonna be taking some, and I'm just going to put it on my cheeks just like that for the beautiful glow. Also gonna put it under the brow bone, just like that. So that looks so beautiful and so glowy and so pretty. I'm also gonna put some highlighter onto my cheek as well, so that glowy look on my cheeks. Same what I'm gonna do on my other eyes. So that's now I'm gonna be lining my lips with those Glowy lip liner in the shade Height. Just like that. This color is a little like a neutral brown. It's neither too warm, not too cool tone. It's like a perfect brown color. Then I'm going to be using this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Mauve Lady. I'm just going to use this onto my lips. Just a beautiful rosy mauve shade. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.